Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account and installing the OneDrive Sync client. This provides the bridge between Sharepoint and File Explorer. Once signed in with your work or school account, make sure the Windows Web Client service is running so mapped folders use Finder-like access. You'll also want the Sharepoint site added to your browser favorites for quick access. These steps prepare the system and authenticate you, so the sync and mapping we do next can complete without permission errors. Next, open the Sharepoint document library you need and click the Sync button. This tells OneDrive to mirror that library locally. When prompted, accept the OneDrive dialog and pick which folders to keep offline if you want selective sync. Make sure OneDrive finishes initial synchronization. Look for the solid green check or syncing animation. Once done, the library appears under your OneDrive/organization name in File Explorer, giving you fast, local-style access while keeping files stored in Sharepoint. To finish, pin or map the synced library for quick access. You can right-click it in File Explorer and choose Pin to Quick Access, or map it as a network drive using the library's URL and your credentials. Mapping gives a persistent drive letter, while pinning keeps the shorter path. If you hit problems, restart the web client service and OneDrive, re-sign in to force credential refresh, or clear the OneDrive cache. These actions resolve most permission and sync conflicts and get you back to normal use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.